Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a tricky problem that can occur when working with bidirectional bindings in JavaFX. The problem arises when changing the value of one property inside an invalidation listener, causing the properties to be out of sync. Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. The key point to remember is that changing the value inside an invalidation listener breaks the precondition of bidirectional binds and should be avoided. The synchronization of the properties relies on a flag that checks if the property is being updated inside the listener. If the flag is set to true, the synchronization is skipped, leading to the properties being out of sync. Continuing with the solution, let's look at a specific case where a bidirectional bind may not sync properly. In the slider class, the value property is modified within an invalidation listener to clamp the value to the slider range. This behavior goes against the recommended practice of not modifying the observed value inside an invalidation listener, leading to potential issues with bidirectional binds. In summary, it's crucial to avoid changing property values inside invalidation listeners to ensure proper synchronization in bidirectional bindings. By understanding how the synchronization process works and being mindful of modifying values in listeners, you can prevent issues like properties being out of sync. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this problem-solving journey.